look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and sometimes a little bit weird. Today's topic is you're going to have to take your heart out of your chest, put it here on the cuff of your sleeve, and you're going to have to wear it right there. Today's topic is, what project did you work on that didn't go as planned, and how did you turn it into a success? I will share something that happened a little while ago, but it was pretty frustrating at the time. I met up with Jose Cuervo and Brian Smith in Venice Beach, California, to do a photo shoot for one of the inline skate magazines. And we showed up, we had everything ready to go, we had a boom box, I had all my gear, got ready to do the shoot, and literally nothing would work. Nothing would turn on, nothing, like my flashes didn't turn on, cameras didn't turn on, batteries were all charged. The boom box didn't turn on, the lights didn't turn on. It was the weirdest, creepiest thing ever. And we just pulled the plug right there on the shoot. We're like, whatever, let's come back tomorrow and do it. And we showed up the next day, same place, different time in the morning, and everything worked out flawlessly. We had to notify the magazine that we were going to be a day late, obviously, getting the images to them, and the magazine wasn't happy about it, but we explained to them what happened, and they're like, really? And we're like, really? And they're like, really? And we're like, dude, bro, really, for real dough. We didn't say for real dough back then, but really, it happened. And when they got the images, they were extraordinarily happy because it was everything. Squeaky chairs back. It was everything that they wanted and more. Had we tried to push the shoot that night and try to get the gear working and everything, it just would have lifted up all the frustration, so we just pulled the plug. What did you guys do when you had a project not go as planned? Share below in the comments down in the basement, in the kilt zone. Share your comments in the kilt zone. And if you are a subscriber, congratulations, good on you. You've been riding around in here in the agile mind of David Esquire. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, ding dong. We'll send a raven. We'll come knocking at your door, letting you know that another episode is live. Let's wrap it up. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and a little bit weird. And until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly. Stay caffeinated, aw yeah, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.